Have you ever noticed that the furniture you assemble yourself, even if it's a little wobbly, feels way more special than something which is pre-assembled? That's not just pride, it's psychology. It's called the IKEA effect. Hi, this is Nidhi, a mother and a founder, and welcome to episode 10 of explaining you mind-blowing concepts that's going to help you both personally and professionally. Researchers from Harvard and Yale universities discovered that when people build or create something themselves, even if it's imperfect, they value it way more than something which has been built by experts. And that's why we get emotionally attached to our DIY projects, home-cooked meals, or even handwritten notes. Because effort creates value. I'll give you an example of cake mix story. In the 1950s, Betty Crocker's instant cake mix failed because it was too easy to make. When they modified the recipe to require cracking an egg and mixing by hand, the sales shot up. Why? Because people felt that now they had made the cake themselves. In business, this explains why employees are way more motivated when they co-create solutions instead of just being told what to do. Google uses the IKEA technique by letting its employees design their own 20% projects, leading to products like Gmail. So whether it's your career, relationships, or business, if you want people to truly value something, let them contribute building it. Efforts isn't just sweat, it's investment. Now, tell me in the comments what's one thing that you have built yourself that you'll never throw away, no matter how imperfect that is. Drop it in the comments because I would love to read your stories.